Hi guys, how are you today? You like my cute little pose? I feel so cute today. I don't know why. Yes. Okay. Hi, how are you today? My name is BaileySarian, and today I want to sit down and film a spring-inspired tutorial. Okay, so here's the deal. It's spring, which means allergies, blossoming flowers, also spring cleaning. Yay! Which I did, and I'm very excited about. The last couple of weeks, I've just been like kind of going through my closet and like pulling stuff out that I don't wear and purging and just getting rid of the stuff. So today's video is in partnership with Poshmark. Poshmark is a simple and fun way to buy and sell fashion. You can sell shoes, accessories, clothing, you name it, put it up there for sale. Sometimes your trash is another person's treasure. Is that how the saying goes? So I've been doing a lot of spring cleaning to kind of get rid of all these items that are just sitting in my closet. I have a ton of stuff that still has tags on it, and it's so frustrating because it's like I spent this money and I want to make some of that money back. So I've been posting a lot of my items on Poshmark for the last like month or two. All you have to do is take a picture of the item that you want to sell, put a little description up, okay? Boom, post it, and you're good to go. Get rid of those items that are just sitting in your closet that you say you're gonna wear, and let's be real here, you're not gonna wear it, okay? Post it up for sale, make some money, maybe purchase new items or put it like in your savings account. In the description box below, I'm going to put a link where you can sign up for Poshmark and get your own closet started. Get the clutter out. So it really fits my spring theme that I'm going with today because I did some spring cleaning. Okay, now I'm gonna do some spring makeup. Alrighty, so okay, I'm really torn on what to do now. Here's my problem. I don't really plan my videos, and this has been an ongoing issue on my channel, okay? This is nothing new. I could go in two different directions here. I could do like a colorful eye with like a nude lip or like a peachy lip, or I could do like a bold lip and a softer eye. When I think spring, I do think color. I'm very torn. Let's start with my complexion and see where we end up. So, you guys are gonna laugh at me, but this is who I am as a person. This is a sample I got, but it's Chanel Ultra Radiant Ultra Wear All Day Comfort Flawless Finish Foundation. This is a sample I got. I don't know where I got this from, but I decided to open it. Oh, I know, my Oprah magazine. Shout out to Opes. I decided to try it, and I'm glad I did because, dude, I've really been liking this, and so I'm gonna squeeze out whatever's left of this little sample. It gives like a light to medium coverage. This is gonna sound so stupid. It's dewy, but it's matte. I know, that doesn't even make sense. How they do it, I don't know. I might buy it. You know sometimes how they get you? It's like you get a sample and then you go to buy it and you swear it's not the same. You're like, this is not the same. There's no way. My sample ran out. Didn't plan for this to happen. I'm gonna come in with my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I have the shade Vanilla. Just a little bit up in here. I just really like that Chanel foundation. It's quite nice. This is the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm placing this right into the hollow of my eye. Your girl's got some dark circles. Remember this? If you don't know what I'm talking about, last Saturday on my upload, I used this product right here, and the application of it didn't go too well, but the end result was beautiful. I personally really liked it, so I thought I would use it again because I'm going for like a fresh and dewy and just pretty look. I'm gonna use this cream blush first, and I'm using this before I do the powder. In last Saturday's video, I did this after I did my powder, so I think if I do before, maybe it will go better, is what I'm getting at. So I'm just patting this into the skin. I'm smiling. Okay. Then I'm gonna grab like my foundation brush because it's still a little heavy. Still a lot heavy. And just kind of push it into the skin. And then I'm gonna come like right up in here too. Okay. Now I'm coming in with this shade right here. And this one went like kind of over everything, right? I can't even remember. Last but not least, this shade, it's like the highlighting shade. On top of my cheekbones at the arch of my eyebrow. Here's the thing. We started out friends. It was cool, but it was all pretend. I'm probably gonna get a copyright strike for that because I was spot on with that singing. I mean, the vocals were there. Am I right? You don't have to use all of them like I just did. You could do like one at a time if you wanted to. But when it's all together, I just really I like it a lot. Look at, ooh, I like it. Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder in Translucent. I do still want to set my concealer because it's starting to crease, and nay, we do not want that. I don't know what my deal is today. Let's set it and forget it. Yeah. Is Kelly Clarkson still around? She's on like that show, The Voice, yeah? No. Isn't she? I wish my lighting wasn't garbage. Honestly, like, lighting is everything, and it's so annoying because it's so expensive. And, but you know how on, like, some YouTubers just look, their face is perfectly lit, and not in a bad way, but when your face is perfectly lit, things appear, I don't want to say better, but kind of, because you can actually see it. Like, the way that the light is hitting me, it like creates a shadow. See how my hand shadow? Actually, this isn't a lighting tutorial. Sorry. And I can't figure it out because I'm not like a lighting pro. I'm just trying to do my best. I'm gonna take some of this cream right here. I'm gonna put it in my eyes. Yep, I did it. So I'm just coming right onto the edge of my lid and then coming into my crease. Then I'll take a brush that has nothing on it and then I'll just kind of go over it and blend it out. Rocking around the Christmas tree. I'm gonna come on my lower lash line. Rocking around. Shut up. Oh my gosh, I get the most random ass songs stuck in my head. Let's try this one. I'm using the same brush. I don't know where I'm gonna put this. Oh, okay, here. Sometimes I just let the hand tell me where I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take this highlighting shade and put this right in here. This is fun. I am going to curl my eyelashes and then I'll decide if I should put on falsies or not, but I probably won't because I really haven't been into the falsie game lately. Well, kind of, but like not really. I've been using this Lancome eyelash curler and I think it is pretty bomb. I don't hold my lashes there that long. I just kind of like pulsate. I go like press. Oh yeah. Demonetized. I put mascara on my top and bottom eyelashes. Now, this is the Makeup Geek Iconic Lipstick in Naive. Then I just mixed a little bit of the cream blush from the Natasha Denona Palette right on top of the lipstick. I kind of feel like a cute little, like a spring fairy. No? Okay. And this is the finished look. Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you want to wear it? Let me know down below. Should I do a colorful spring-inspired look? If you think yes, then leave a like down below. Anywho, I hope you guys really like this tutorial. It's pretty simple, sweet, easy, just like me. I hope that you have a great day today. You make good choices. Also, a big thank you to Poshmark for partnering with me on today's spring look. Don't forget to spring clean. Get rid of all that junk and clutter you got in your closet, and might as well make some money too. And I'll be seeing you guys very soon. Bye.